Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a nice easy mod and it'll be part of your servicing that you can keep your car up to date. We're going to be replacing our standard panel filter here with a Pipercross performance one. We're promised that it's going to sound a little bit better. It's not going to give the same sort of induction cone whoosh, but it's definitely going to give us a sort of induction-y noise. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this up, show you how the standard one sounds, and then we'll get this one fitted up. The first step we're going to do is we're going to remove this air intake Jubilee clip here. Now weirdly this one doesn't quite match this one. So that's quite strange. It kind of shows me that perhaps someone's had this off before, but we'll be able to see a little bit better when we get this box off here. So we're just going to loosen this off a little bit. Right, and that should allow us to slide off this induction hose in here. That's fine. Next step is to remove the 4 Torx T25 screws. One there, one hidden back here, and one at the top. Once they're off, this should allow you to remove the whole top of the airbox here. So with the lid of the airbox off, we can now remove the factory panel, and you can see all the kind of the bits of junk that it's filtered out over its lifetime. It looks a little bit rank. So side by side compared to this one, you can see that there's actually a lot less sort of depth to it. So it should allow higher airflow. And if you're worried about the moisture inside, it's meant to be there. That's just a little bit of oil for the filter. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to clean this out, because I really don't like the look of just blocking all that in there. P4 will not enjoy that. So I'm going to give this a clean and we'll get back in a second. So it's nicely branded with the Pipercross on it, but for some strange reason it goes in this way, so you can't really see it once it's on. But then again, you've got your airbox lid on anyway, so you can't see it. So once that's pushed on, it's just a case of refitting this box now. It's fine, and over the top, and we're going to replace the 4 screws now. The only tricky part about putting this airbox lid back on are these 2 clips here. They've kind of got to tuck underneath first before putting the screws back on. That's fine. Just relocate this air pipe here, making sure that this little notch kind of goes on with this little line in the Jubilee clip here. And then once that's all tightened up, it'll be good to take it for a little spin. Right, that's all fitted and we've tightened this Jubilee clip back up. I'm going to jump in and give it some revs and see if it sounds any different. So actually we're kind of disappointed in the overall noise. We're not getting that induction-y kind of whoosh we were hoping for. This is the old one here. It's looking fairly dirty. It's actually an aftermarket filter as well. It's not your standard GM one. Made in Spain. It's a MAN one there. This is GM, but that'll just be for the fitment. So it's a MAN one. So that'll have been done during a previous service. But in terms of general maintenance, we definitely recommend doing this mod fairly regularly. But if you're buying it for that induction-y whoosh, certainly not worth it. At some point we may stick a cone on, but then obviously you open yourself up to issues of heat soaking and whatever else, so I'll leave that up to you, but thanks for watching guys. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time.